Hey everybody, it's Amy Dickinson Campbell with the Space Weather Report for the 13th. The 13th of December, guys. It's already like well into December now. So the solar flares have calmed down. They said there's 9 sunspots on the sun, but they're all stable. So they're okay right now. It looks like we have 450 kilometers a second for solar winds. So they're blowing pretty normal. And they have basic C class flares. We do have a 20% chance elevated for M just in case if those spots activate, but they're not really like expecting them to. And there's only a 1% chance of X. So there's going to be some solar flares, but they'll be really mellow. But still, with solar flares, they'll mind it because there's extreme UV. Now, neutron count is 2.1% above the maximum, so it's a little elevated. The geomagnetic activity is looking at 10% activity in the mid-latitudes and 20% severe activity in the upper latitudes or on our poles. Now, as far as asteroids go, there weren't really anything on the 13th, but the 14th so the 13th, they've got a couple of asteroids that they expect to fly by, but I think the closest one on the 13th is like 15 lunar distance away. It's like mostly to Mars. But on the 14th, they've got a half lunar distance. So between the moon and the planet, between the moon and the Earth, an asteroid that is 7 meters in diameter, 21 feet in diameter, is scheduled to be skimming on by. And if it gets stuck in our gravitational pull, it might hit us. So let's just pray that nothing bad happens. And if it does zip on by, it just continues to zip on by. Or if it breaks into the atmosphere, that it burns up on entry. Because 21 feet is a good sizer. It's like the size of a bus. Like half the size, like one of those 20-foot buses rather than a 40-foot bus, so like a school bus. So, yeah, there is that. So let's just pray it doesn't hit anything important or it just burns up in the atmosphere or doesn't quite hit us. Anyway, you guys have a safe one. Look out for each other. Look out for your pets. Look out for your plants. Hydrate. Stay shaded if you start to feel nauseous or dizzy or headachy. Take a break. Make sure you get something to drink. And big one is the use your surge suppressors, because with geomagnetic activity and straight line winds, we can have power grid problems and those kinds of things. All right, guys, send in love and have a great one. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.